Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Maduabum Law Firm LLC. Today is a good day for American farmers as we will be talking about hiring workers from other countries through the H-2A visa program. The agricultural sector is the backbone of our nation, providing the food that sustains us and contributes significantly to the economy. However, one of the ongoing challenges for farmers and agricultural businesses is finding a reliable and legal workforce, particularly during peak seasons. This is where the H-2A visa program comes into play, offering a solution for employers in need of temporary agricultural labor. The H-2A visa is a temporary work visa for foreign workers performing agricultural labor or services in the United States. This program allows U.S. employers to bring foreign nationals to fill temporary or seasonal agricultural jobs when there are not enough domestic workers to meet the demand. Eligibility criteria for employers. To qualify for the H-2A visa program, employers must meet specific criteria. 1. Temporary or seasonal need. The job must be of a temporary or seasonal nature, usually defined as employment lasting less than 1 year. 2. Recruitment efforts. Employers must demonstrate that they have made reasonable efforts to recruit domestic workers for the job. This includes advertising the position and working with state workforce agencies. 3. Adherence to employment standards. Employers must provide workers with housing, transportation, and meals or cooking facilities. They must also pay the prevailing wage or the federal or state minimum wage, whichever is higher. 4. Labor certification. Employers must obtain a temporary labor certification from the U.S. Department of Labor (DOL), affirming that employing H-2A workers will not negatively affect the wages and working conditions of domestic agricultural workers. The process of obtaining an H-2A visa involves several steps such as 1. Filing a job order. The employer must file a job order with the state workforce agency (SWA) in the state where the work will be performed, detailing the terms and conditions of employment. 2. Applying for labor certification. Concurrently, the employer must submit Form ETA 9142A to the DOL, along with a copy of the job order. This form serves as an application for temporary labor certification. 3. Recruiting U.S. workers. The employer must actively recruit U.S. workers by placing advertisements and contacting former employees. 4. Filing Form I-129. Once the labor certification is approved, the employer files Form I-129, petition for a non-immigrant worker, with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS). 5. Consular processing. Prospective workers must apply for an H-2A visa at a U.S. embassy or consulate in their home country, undergo an interview, and receive visa approval before traveling to the U.S. H-2A workers are entitled to several protections under U.S. law, such as 1. They must be paid at least the highest of the applicable federal or state minimum wage, the prevailing wage rate, or the agreed-upon collective bargaining rate. 2. Employers must provide free housing that meets local standards and either provide meals or access to cooking facilities. 3. Employers are responsible for the cost of transportation from the worker's home country to the place of employment and back. 4. Employers must provide safe working conditions and comply with all applicable labor laws. Employers participating in the H-2A program must adhere to stringent regulatory requirements to avoid penalties and legal issues. These include maintaining accurate records of recruitment efforts, wages, and working conditions. Non-compliance can result in fines, debarment from the program, and other legal consequences. By understanding the eligibility criteria, application process, and legal obligations, employers can effectively utilize this program to meet their labor needs while ensuring fair treatment and legal compliance for their workers. For specific guidance and assistance with the H-2A visa process, consulting with a law firm specializing in immigration is highly recommended. Maduabum Law Firm LLC will make this stringent process streamlined for you. Give us a call today. Please subscribe to our channel to receive weekly immigration updates. Thank you for watching.